Hello everyone, welcome back to Summer Diaries. Do not forget to subscribe.
Hello kids, welcome back to Samarth Diaries, where learning is fun and exciting. Today we will learn some amazing words that start with the letter I. Let's begin. I for
Ice cream,
yummy and cold. Everyone loves ice cream. I for
ice,
it's a frozen water, cold and slippery. I for
insect,
insects are tiny creatures that crawl, fly and buzz around. I for
Iceland,
an Iceland is a piece of land surrounded by water. I for
ink,
we use ink to write or draw with pens. I for
iron,
we use an iron to make our clothes neat and tidy. I for
instruments,
we play instruments to make music and have fun. Great job, kids. Now you know so many words that start with I. Let's quickly repeat.
ice cream, ice, insect, Iceland, ink, iron, and instruments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ABC fun with us. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, kids. Have a good day.